So I want to talk to you about this Legos Disney Stitch toy building kit. This is for age 9+. It's a really nice kit, nice quality kit. It's kit number 43249. 730 pieces in this actual Disney character. Stitch, he's a funny character. Definitely love him. Again, for age 9+. And kit number is 43249, as you can see there. A great little item, easy to do. A couple of kids can get together and put this together. A couple of 9-year-olds. You could even probably even 8, but you can see it's 730 pieces, and it's a good size pieces too, so it's not too difficult on the scale. He's holding a little ice cream cone, as you can see. So again, this is the whole kit right here, 730 pieces of Stitch. Really cute. Love the colors. Love the detail. A little bow on his head. You can see holding the ice cream cone. Looks like a little flower there. Absolutely love it. Again, another great Disney item. Stitch is the character, and I definitely highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.